Okay, this is Russell Square. This is what's going on as per Christmas tree. We've got this here. Yeah, something. You're meant to stand in the middle there and take some pictures. You will find this almost everywhere in London. Almost everywhere. Russell Hotel down there. That big building there is a Russell Hotel. That one there. And that's Russell Square. The station is just down there. Yeah, it's been an interesting Christmas season this year. So yeah, let me put myself. See how it's gonna come up. Let's hope that comes out alright. I'm doing the editing if at all. And there it is. It's disappeared. It doesn't want to stay focused. Welcome to Bloomsbury Central District Alliance. Here we go. This is Russell Square. Christmas season. Actually, I'm going underneath it. Hey. That's it. Lovely. So this is Bloomsbury, almost bottom. I think it's top of Shrewsbury Avenue. I'm not sure which is which. But you can see there's Christmas decorations they have on the square. Everywhere seems to follow the same theme, like where people can just come, chill, take pictures under the sparkling lights. Yeah, that's what London's doing this Christmas. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to have it moving. I want to see if I can get to Liverpool Street and see what's there. Let's see what's happening. See.